They just remind me something now. I just remember something now. Guys, hold on. Yes, I'm coming, guys. So my name is Tola Olajire. I'm the CEO of this company, this YouTube channel. Shower. So before we continue our video, we'll continue this video. So let me tell you guys. So Sherry, ilé ayé tá wà yìí, mi ò kàn lè do good. Let's be doing good in life. Time getting low. So everything that we are doing, what a year. If you live here now, say we go Canada, now still same thing. If you like go Borno, now still same thing. Eyes don't see so many things. Eyes don't see a lot of things. She get. So this life that we are is another world entirely. We just have to keep pushing. And one day, you say this remote, you cannot on TV without this remote. And as a remote now, you cannot use this remote without, let me show you, feeling sleepy, without this battery. So this remote now, it has two battery. This one, this positive, this negative. So here now, if you wanna put it, you have to put negative here and put the positive here, like this. Negative here, positive here. And the second one too. Positive, negative here, positive here. If you made a mistake, if you do it this way, this is positive. If you put the positive down, the battery will not work, the remote will not function. Like this, it will not function. Yeah, it has to be this way. It has to be this way. It has to be negative. This is negative. You see, the one that is flat is the negative. It is negative. You have to put it like this. This way. This one that pop out is positive. You have to put the positive here. And then you close it. That's how to use the battery. Bye bye.